Let's take a look at how to open the Green Toys Submarine. And you might need to do this if it gets dirty on the inside, or if your kid puts something in it, like has happened here. And a lot of people don't see immediately how to open this thing up, to clean it or to access the inside, even if your kid maybe figured it out for themselves. It's actually very simple once you know how to do it. You just go to the front of the Green Toys Submarine, and there's this little tab on here, and then there's the handle. We're just going to push that tab in and pop this open. You can see it's got some stuff that's built up on the inside there that I'd want to definitely clean off. I can take that little toy out that's gotten stuck inside. If I can shake it to the proper configuration, I might just use two hands to do that. I do recommend cleaning this out periodically. Either you can rinse it out and open it up and rinse it out yourself, or you can open it up and put it in the dishwasher, which I find is really the simplest way to clean it. I just open that top, flip it upside down, put it in the dishwasher, and it comes out nice and clean. Now to close it up again, you just simply press down on the top here. It's going to click back into place, and you are good to go.